discover Moldova, Europe's hidden treasure. Nestled between Romania and Ukraine, this small yet captivating country is often overlooked by travelers, but it holds a wealth of experiences waiting to be uncovered. Are you looking for a new adventure? One that takes you off the beaten path and into a world of unspoiled beauty and rich traditions? Do you dream of exploring somewhere unique and exciting? A place where every corner tells a story and every vista takes your breath away? Then Moldova is calling your name. This hidden gem is ready to offer you an unforgettable journey. This small country in Eastern Europe is a hidden gem, full of history, culture, and natural beauty. From ancient fortresses to charming villages, Moldova is a land where time seems to stand still. Moldova is a land of rolling hills, vineyards, and ancient monasteries. The lush landscapes are perfect for hiking, cycling, or simply soaking in the serene atmosphere. The people are warm and welcoming, and the pace of life is slower and more relaxed than in many other parts of Europe. You'll find yourself embraced by the local hospitality, making you feel right at home. Best of all, Moldova is very affordable, especially for travelers from Malaysia. Whether you're dining at a local restaurant or staying in a cozy guest house, you'll find that your budget stretches much further here. You'll be amazed at how far your money will go here. Enjoy world-class wines, delicious cuisine, and comfortable accommodations without breaking the bank. Get ready to be charmed by Moldova, a destination that will steal your heart. With its picturesque landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and friendly locals, Moldova promises an adventure like no other. So pack your bags and set off to discover Europe's hidden treasure. Moldova welcomes you. Visa information for Malaysians. Traveling to Moldova is easy for Malaysians. You can enter Moldova without a visa for up to 90 days. This means you can enjoy your trip without worrying about complicated paperwork. Just make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months after your planned return date. Keep in mind that immigration officials might ask for proof of onward travel and sufficient funds for your stay. Having these documents handy is always a good idea. Your budget-friendly flight plan. Malaysia to Moldova. Ready to book your flight? You can find great deals on flights from Malaysia to Moldova if you plan. Several airlines fly this route, so shop around online and compare prices. Consider flying to Chișinău International Airport, Moldova's main airport. You can often find cheaper flights if you're flexible with your travel dates. Flying during the off-season or weekdays might save you money. Smart stays, affordable accommodations in Moldova. Moldova offers a range of budget-friendly places to stay. Hostels are a great option for solo travelers and backpackers, providing a chance to meet other adventurers. Guest houses and pensions, often family-run, offer a local experience with warm hospitality. For those who prefer more independence, consider apartments or rooms for rent. Many websites allow you to book directly with local hosts, often at lower prices than hotels. Section 5. Taste of Moldova. Delicious food without breaking the bank. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with Moldova's hearty and flavorful cuisine. The best part? You don't have to empty your wallet to enjoy these culinary delights. You can enjoy delicious meals without spending a fortune. Moldova offers a variety of dishes that are both affordable and incredibly tasty. Local markets are treasure troves of fresh produce, baked goods, and local specialties. These markets are the heart of Moldovan cuisine, where you can find the freshest ingredients at unbeatable prices. Try placinta, a traditional savoury pastry filled with cheese, potatoes, or cabbage. This delightful pastry is a staple in Moldovan households and is perfect for a quick, satisfying meal. For a hearty meal, savour mamaliga, a creamy cornmeal porridge often served with meat or cheese. Mamaliga is a beloved dish that brings comfort and warmth, making it a must-try for anyone visiting Moldova. And, oh, don't miss out on the local wines. Moldova's wine culture is rich and diverse, offering a range of flavours that cater to every palate. Moldova is known for its excellent wineries, and you can often enjoy tastings at very affordable prices. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or just looking to try something new, Moldovan wines are sure to impress. Section 6. Moldova on a shoestring must-see sites for budget travellers. Travelling on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on amazing experiences. In fact, some of the most memorable adventures can be had without spending a fortune. Moldova is packed with incredible sights that won't empty your wallet. This hidden gem in Eastern Europe offers a wealth of experiences for the frugal traveller. Explore the capital city, Chișinău, with its charming parks, historic buildings, and vibrant atmosphere. Stroll through Stefan Cel Mare Central Park, a green oasis in the heart of the city, perfect for a relaxing afternoon. Visit the National Museum of History of Moldova to delve into the country's rich past. The museum offers fascinating exhibits that showcase Moldova's cultural heritage and historical milestones. Venture beyond the capital to discover the Orheiul Vechi monastery complex, a breathtaking site carved into a cliffside overlooking the Rout River. This ancient site offers a glimpse into Moldova's spiritual history and provides stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Codru forests, perfect for hiking and enjoying nature's tranquility. These lush forests are home to diverse wildlife and offer numerous trails for all levels of hikers. Remember, the best things in life are free. From wandering through picturesque streets to enjoying the natural beauty of the countryside, Moldova offers countless opportunities for budget-friendly adventures. So pack your bags and get ready to explore this affordable and enchanting destination. Section 7. Embrace the journey. Tips for making the most of your adventure. Traveling is more than just checking off destinations. It's about embracing the journey and creating lasting memories. Engage with locals. Learn a few basic phrases in Romanian or Russian. And don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Pack light, plan your itinerary, but be open to spontaneous detours and savour every moment of your Moldovan adventure. Remember to purchase a local SIM card for easy communication and navigation. Section 8. Moldova, a tapestry of culture and history. Moldova's rich history and culture will captivate you. The country's strategic location between east and west has shaped its identity. Explore ancient fortresses, marvel at the architectural grandeur of its churches and monasteries, and immerse yourself in the warmth of Moldovan hospitality. Experience traditional music and dance performances, discover local crafts, and delve into the world of Moldovan winemaking. Embrace the opportunity to connect with locals, hear their stories, and gain a deeper understanding of this fascinating nation. Section 9. Pack your bags and go. Moldova awaits. Moldova offers an off-the-beaten-path adventure without breaking the bank. From its stunning landscapes and welcoming people to its delicious cuisine and rich history, Moldova has something for everyone. So why wait? Start planning your budget-friendly trip today and discover the hidden treasures of this captivating European gem.